Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab. How to clean Nike Cortez. You will need a sneaker cleaner, premium brush, a container of water, microfiber towel, sneaker wipes, odor protector, and our leather care. The first step will be to remove the laces so they can be cleaned at a later stage and allow access to clean the tongue of the sneaker. Once the laces have been removed, grab our premium brush and scrub off any loose and dried dirt. This will make the cleaning process easier. You can also hit the shoe with your hand to remove any leftover dirt. Use one of our sneaker wipes to get rid of any surface level scuffs and stains. Since the uppers are leather, the sneaker wipe will get a lot of the dirt off. Now you can turn your attention to the more stubborn dirt. Generously spray your sneaker with our sneaker cleaner, focusing on heavily dirtied areas. Dip our premium brush in water to wet the bristles of the brush and shake off any excess water. Then start scrubbing the upper of the sneaker to lift off the dirt. When you start scrubbing, a foam will form from the water and sneaker cleaner solution. Don't worry about harming the leather when scrubbing, as our premium brush is soft enough to not cause damage but firm enough to get rid of stubborn dirt. Rinse the leather brush and reapply sneaker cleaner when necessary. Once the uppers are clean, move down to the soles of the sneaker. Hit the midsole of your sneakers with the premium brush and sneaker cleaner again, following the same process as before. When dealing with the midsoles and soles, you can apply more pressure as the dirt will be more difficult to remove. When the dirt has been lifted from the sneaker, use a microfiber towel to wipe off excess moisture and dirt. Once complete, set your sneakers aside to dry. Spray sneaker cleaner on the laces, rub them together in your hands, and dip them into water. Continue this process until your laces are well saturated and beginning to appear clean. You can then wring out the water and leave to dry alongside your sneakers. Once your laces and shoes are dry, lace up your kicks in preparation for applying our odor protector and leather care. Use our odor protector to keep your sneakers feeling fresh for longer. If you have inner soles that are removable, spray them and the inside of your sneakers. This will fight off any unwanted odors. Lastly, apply leather care to a microfiber towel and gently massage into the leather and leave to air dry. This will protect your sneakers from dirt, stains, UV rays, and make cleaning in the future easier. And that was our step-by-step guide on how to clean your Nike Cortez sneakers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.